Hello, Dr. Neptune here, also known as Cedric Irving, and I'm an environmental scientist here at the State Water Board, and every year we get our friends and family together to celebrate Earth Day and to appreciate our natural resources. And we can't be together for you to help me do our experiments this year, but hopefully you can have some fun with me today. So today we're going to discover exactly how we lift, or in other words, defy gravity and transport water from our water reservoirs to our homes. What about the homes that live up on the hill? How do they get water? Well, we're gonna find out right now. And the way that water comes from the water reservoirs to where you're at is through a pump station. So let's take a look at how this pump station works. This right here is going to be our model pump station. Inside of it is a wet well. There's a pipeline that comes through and sends water to where it needs to go. But if it's going uphill or if it's too deep, well, we got to send the water up. So the pipeline fills up our wet well full of water. And there's different sensors inside of our wet well. The sensors inside of our wet well are going to tell us how full the water's gone and when it's time to push it out. And the way that it gets pushed out is with our force main. And so what's going to happen is our force main is going to push the water out and into our communities up there on top of the hills. And you are going to help me launch that water. We don't have pipelines, but we do have a water rocket. Are you ready to get started? All right, let's pump this rocket. All right, so we've got our wet well. It's filling up. Our pipeline is going up gradient. We've got homes and hills and residences up on the hill. They need their water. How do we get it there? Well, with the power of this force main right here. Well, this is going to be a model force main. We're going to put it inside of our water rocket launcher right here. And let's turn this up over. All right, so inside of a real lift station or a pump station, you actually have sensors, as I mentioned before, that tell the automated system when it's full and when it's able to take all that pressure and launch all this water out the other end of the pipeline. But right now, we're gonna demonstrate that with this water rocket model. All right. Are you guys ready to count down with me? We're gonna pump this up and count down and launch it off. Go ahead and pump this up. Might be a little leaky. All right, and here we go. We're building up pressure. Start counting down. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Whoa, it worked. And check this out. If you check it out here, you can see that water exists in many forms, in many states right here. We have the liquid water, and we compress the water so much that you can see, maybe you can take a look, water vapor inside. Ooh, ah. So water is so resilient. You see, it exists in a lot of different forms. It's actually more dense as a liquid than it is as a solid, and helps provide a lot of temperature buffering, pH buffering that allows us to live our lives. So it's important to take care of our water resources. So I hope you enjoyed our experiment together, our demonstration of how we can defy gravity. We can defy the laws, or well, we can use the laws of physics to send our water resources to places where they otherwise couldn't reach. Thank you for joining me, and we have much more to share. I'm sorry that we couldn't be here together in person, but I hope that where you are, you're continuing to appreciate our natural resources, our water, our air, and continue to really be a steward of what we all appreciate. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video.